Hi guys, so nagdala akong magulang pagkaon guys, ang buta sa sigikan, pagkabala sa sigikan. So makikita nyo guys, kinuhaan na siya guys. Sopa siya guys, lumpia. Try na lang mo sa'yo pala.
I will message first the bank if I can pay the 30K.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have just small amount of money. I don't want to give everything. This is what I will give first. I will message the bank. I think. Yeah, I will message the bank na lang that I will give them money the money. Because tomorrow I think I will give to my boss the 11K.
Lugos ka guys, sobra katamis. So, mga to guys,